All right, guys, we're back for a site visit. The slab has been poured. So if you want to check it out, don't go anywhere. All right, guys, thank you for joining me for another site visit. Very excited to be back on site, and always good signs of seeing the slab go down. What I want to talk about today is a few things in regards to the slab, more in particular in regards to the garage. So we've got some internal garage drop down edge beams, so I want to talk about that, and the step down where the garage door goes. So what we'll do, flip the camera, let's rock and roll. All right, as you can see here, we're in the garage, and first thing I want to point out is the internal drop edge beams, and explain to you a few reasons why we have those there. So as you can see, a little bit of slope on this property. The back of the property falls to the front, down that way. So trying to bring the garage down as to not have too many steps at the back of the property. So this way here, we can sink the garage down slightly, just so the driveway is not too high in compared to the road, so you don't have this super steep driveway coming up too. So that's why we have these internal drop edge beams, and there'll be couple of stairs, probably looks like 2 stairs going up inside. The next thing I want to talk about is the recess step down here. So as you can see, it's a bit of a 20 or probably about 20 mil step running the whole long way there. So as you can see, the garage door will actually sit down here, so it completely seals your garage from wind and water when the garage goes on. So guys, if you know anyone who has a little bit of a slope on their block, and you may not think that the slope they have is going to be necessary for them to have the drop edge beams to help their garage out a little bit, definitely tag them in the comments below, because this will help them understand how you can kind of minimize having a really slopey garage, and minimize having retaining walls and having the back of your block 2 different ways. So instead of having split levels in your house, that might be an idea just to drop the garage down slightly, have a few steps there, so the remainder of your house can be nice and level. Lastly, behind me, if you're wondering what this is here, this is the power coming into the site. Just a quick little run through that. There is the power pole, and that will be connected up to the power. You can probably see that next doors is already complete. So the power comes in from the overhead powers to the power pole, to the site, underground, up through this to the house. All right, guys, if you know anyone who'd be interested in today's site visit, tag them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time for another site visit. Bye for now.